Scale your FBA businesses with an Amazon Virtual Assistant. Spoiler alert, the post is not going to be most fun to read. I am not trying to make an Amazon Virtual Assistant ought to be the best thing since sliced bread. Instead, I will give you as much useful information as I can in a relatively short post to help you grow your e-commerce team if you feel it's the right move for you. What is an Amazon virtual assistant? Is is a virtual assistant right for you? I believe that everyone will benefit from one or more VA in their team, even if it's just one person helping for a few hours a week. Your time is valuable and you should not be spending it on monotonous admin tasks. That being said, it is a time-consuming task to find a VA that will benefit you. It is time however, it is time very well spent. Below I will guide you on how to overcome the initial hurdle of getting a VA on board. What can a virtual assistant do? As mentioned above, I would suggest outsourcing any mundane task that will free up your time. Your time can then be spent on other more productive tasks or on something non-business related. Think about what you could do with 5 or more hours extra every week. One very effective way to decide on tasks to outsource to a VA is to record that you have working on every 15 minutes for a week. At the end of the week, review where you have spent your time and task yourself the question, do you I need to be doing this task myself? You will always be surprised at how much time you're spending on certain contain activities. In my online arbitrage businesses, here are some of the tasks I get my team of VA to do. Product sourcing, the biggest amount of time spent by my team is on product sourcing. However, I would say that this is probably the most difficult task to train a VA in and also one of the easiest to outsource in the form of deal sheets. Whether you hire a VA for products sourcing or down to personal preferences, customer